So today's the day. I finally did it. I hit 100 subscribers and I'm super excited about it. I just want to say a big thank you to all of you that have subscribed to my channel. My channel is only 2 weeks old and I started posting about my credit journey and how I have learned much more about credit than in the past. And today is a big milestone for me. I just hit 100 subscribers. I know that might not be much for some of you that are a larger channel, but it's a big deal for me. And I'm super excited and I wanted to just make this video so I could thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel and watched my videos. I have about 25, 26 videos out there, getting ready to put some more. I have a lot on my mind that I want to go ahead and post so I can help you learn about credit, credit repair, your credit profile. And that's one of the reasons why I just wanted to make this channel, is because I learned about it just recently, the past several years. I started learning about credit and how it can be detriment if you're not on top of it, but how it could also be a benefit if you know how to manage your credit and manage your money and manage your finances. Because there's times in our lives that we're going to need to borrow money for whatever it is, such as a house, maybe a car, maybe you want to start a new business. And it's super important that your credit and your credit profile is on par and up to date, and there are no discrepancies and it looks good. Because a few years ago, like for me, I wanted to get a home loan, and I was talking to my mortgage agent, and she pulled up my credit report, which I had not even looked at ever in my whole life. And there was wrong addresses, wrong phone numbers. Someone had taken hold of my credit and just abused it. And so I had a really bad credit score, and my credit profile did not look good to the bank, and I was declined to go to another bank. And it just it took months. It took time to finally get a hold of someone that would give me a chance for this loan. And since then, I decided I need to go ahead and look at my credit profile and learn about this and get it up to a standard that I would not get rejected, that I would get approved, and that I can have relationships with these banks and relationships with these credit cards, and also relationships with these mortgage companies. And over time, it took a long time. It took me, I don't know, maybe several years to get to a certain situation, a certain place in my credit profile that it looks good. And I get a really good credit score, have great relationships with banks, great relationships with credit card companies, and also mortgages. And I pretty much can apply for whatever I want and get whatever I want now. So that's why this channel is here. I wanted to make a channel that I can help people on their credit journey, because it's tough out there. There's a lot going on. Our lives are busy. We have families, we have children, and sometimes we neglect to take a look at our credit, and we may neglect to even take a look at our credit profile. We have no idea what our credit score is, and when you go to try and apply for a loan, you might get denied. So that's what this channel is about. And I have many videos. If you stick around, I'm going to put many more videos and take you on a journey with me to just learn about the different things that are out there that we can help each other on this credit profile journey, and make sure that your profile is up to a good standing situation, so that you have confidence when you go to apply for your home mortgage for your family, that you're not going to get neglected. You're not going to get denied, that you will get approved. Because nowadays it's hard, it's tough getting into these loans, because they deny a lot of people because of your credit profile is just not up to par. So subscribe to my channel. If you look down below, I have a link that you can get a free ebook that I wrote. You can learn the basics of credit. And if you need a consultation to help you with your credit profile, maybe take a look at it, I have you can schedule a time with me where I can do a free consultation. We can pull up your credit report. We can take a look at it together. I can review it with you. We can just go over some of the basics. And if you want to proceed, if you do need help on your establishing your credit, getting some discrepancies out or delinquencies, I have a program that we can work on it together, and I can help you clean up your credit so that when you go to apply for a home loan, that you will not be denied. So take a look at my website also, and I've got, like I said, I have a free ebook. And stick around, because I'm going to have many more videos coming down the line. I'm working on them now, that I can post and teach people different situations and different information about credit, your credit profile and loans. But again, I just wanted to make this video because I am so thankful for my 100th subscriber, and I have a lot of great confidence that this channel will grow. And with you and me together, we can learn a lot about your finances, and we can take a step forward in helping you get the right loan that you need with a good credit profile that you are looking for. So comment down below. Tell me when you hit your first 100 subscribers and what was your feeling. I'm super excited. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching this video.